There's a version of your face that's actually more symmetrical. You just buried it. Under 4 habits you do every single day without even thinking twice. Go look in the mirror right now. I mean it. Cover the left side of your face with your hand. Look at just the right. Now switch. Yeah, kind of feels like 2 different people staring back at you, huh? And no, that's not just genetics. That's not some cruel joke your DNA played on you. It's years of tiny things you never once thought twice about. A chewing habit, a sleeping position, the way you tilt your head when you're on your phone for the 400th time today. Small things, repeated enough times, they rebuild your whole face. Nobody tells you that part. So here's what we're doing today. I'm gonna show you exactly which habits are quietly messing with your facial balance and how you can start fixing them. No filler, no fluff, just what actually works. Fix number 1. Stop chewing on one side. Quick question, which side of your mouth do you usually chew on? Don't think about it too hard, just answer. Got a side? Yeah, almost everybody does. And that side has basically been going to the gym every single day for years, while the other side has been sitting on the couch. Your jaw is a muscle, just like your bicep. Train one side constantly, it becomes stronger and more developed. Ignore the other side, and it stays behind. Over years, that imbalance can become visible on your face. The fix is simple, almost annoyingly simple. Start switching sides intentionally. Chew gum evenly. At first, it feels weird, but after a while, it becomes normal. Fix number 2. Correct your posture. And this one surprises a lot of people. Look at how you're sitting right now. Be honest, is your neck pushing forward toward the screen? Is your head slightly tilted without you even noticing? That posture doesn't only affect your neck, it can also affect the muscles connected to your jaw and face. Constant tension creates imbalance, and that imbalance can show over time. Try this. Pull your chin straight back, like you're making the most awkward double chin of your life. Hold it for 10 seconds. Repeat this a few times throughout the day. It feels ridiculous, but it's one of the easiest ways to train better posture. Your posture has been quietly changing how you look. You just never noticed. Fix number 3. Reduce facial puffiness. Now here's where it gets interesting, because sometimes the problem isn't your muscles, it's swelling. Ever wake up and your face looks puffier, rounder, just a little off? That's not random. It can come from things like too much sodium, poor sleep, stress, alcohol. These things increase water retention, and your face doesn't always hold that water evenly. One side can genuinely look more swollen than the other. The fix? Better sleep, less processed food, more water, a balanced amount of salt. It sounds boring, but this is one of the changes you can actually notice quickly, sometimes in just a few days. Fix number 4. Change your daily habits. And this is the one almost nobody thinks about. Which side do you sleep on every night? Which cheek does your phone touch during calls? Which hand is your chin resting on right now while you're watching this? Yeah. Thought so. These tiny habits happen thousands of times every year, and your face keeps the score. The solution isn't some massive transformation, it's awareness. Switch your sleeping side sometimes. Avoid putting constant pressure on one side of your face. Let your head and posture stay balanced. Small corrections, repeated consistently, create big changes over time. Here's the part I want you to remember. You're not trying to create a perfectly symmetrical face, because that doesn't exist. Not for you, not for anyone. You're simply trying to remove the extra imbalance you created without realizing it, and that alone can make your face look more balanced, confident, and put together. So remember, chew on both sides, fix your posture, reduce facial puffiness, and pay attention to your daily habits. No surgery, no crazy tricks, just understanding how your body works and making small changes every day. If this video helped you, go watch Your Nose Isn't Big, It's Bloated next. It's the same science, but focused on a different feature. And if you're rebuilding more than just your face, check out the 3 home exercises that actually transformed my abs. Trust me, you won't regret it. As always, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel. I'll see you in the next one.